Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra new teaser is out, and we even get the time of when we are going to get the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, the new pricing on the S23 Ultra is also out, and it is confirmed couple of things. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We already have a couple of official trailers of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but these ones are new ones, where we see the 3 lenses in all teasers, and this new teaser says Loop, epic connectivity is coming. The second one shares some more information regarding the S Pen functionality, and the third one shows the gaming capability of the S23 Ultra, says cool. All trailers shows the same date of the 1st of Feb 2023. We are just 2 days away from the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, are you guys excited about the cameras of S23 Ultra, and what are your thoughts on the battery of the S23 Ultra? If you talk about the performance of S23 Ultra, then I have some numbers for you. Where Google Pixel 7 Pro is way behind when it comes to Geekbench score, where Galaxy S23 Ultra gets almost double amount of score, 1594 single core score and 4979 multi-core score. Pixel 7 Pro gets only 1013 single core score and 2979 multi-core score. Although benchmarks don't matter these days, but you will get more raw performance out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra new Snapdragon Gen 2. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to come with the increased price in other regions except US, where we see same prices in US at $1199 for the S23 Ultra. Whereas Indian pricing are also out, where we see 5,000 rupees more than the last generation Galaxy S22 Ultra. Also, the European pricing are also out, and you can see somewhere around 50 to 100 euros increase in the price of all Galaxy S23 devices. Just to compensate on this, Samsung is offering some great PR deals, where if you buy a lower version of the S23 Ultra, they will give you a higher version, meaning you will pay for 256 gigs version, but they'll give you 512 gigs version. Also, PR deals depends on your country. In some regions, may get Buds Play 2 and Watch 5 along with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Have you ever thought what we are going to get in the box of the S23 Ultra? Well, I'm not going to give you a good news. Instead, we are going to get the same Type-C to Type-C cable and SIM injector tool. No adapter, just like the last generation. You guys might be curious about the battery of the S23 Ultra. If so, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.